Elon Musk is about to supercharge AI compute by 50 times the global output. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Monday, March 23, 2026. Elon Musk's new $25 billion Terafab plans to produce a mind-blowing terawatt of AI compute yearly, 50 times today's global supply. It'll craft chips for Tesla's robots and space-grade satellites launched from Starship, cutting down costly ground data centers. Halter's AI-powered Cowgorhythm collar is farming's high-tech game-changer. Solar-powered collars create virtual fences and remotely herd cattle with over 6,000 data points a minute, optimizing grazing and health. Backed by Peter Thiel, the startup nears a $2 billion valuation. OpenAI is gearing up for explosive growth, nearly doubling its workforce to 8,000 by end of 2026. The focus? Enterprise AI solutions as demand skyrockets? This signals AI adoption hitting a new scale with OpenAI leading the enterprise charge. The White House unveiled a federal AI policy blueprint to block states from crafting their own AI laws. Oversight stays with federal agencies aiming to regulate AI's safety and impact uniformly nationwide, a big move towards central AI governance. A U.S. man pleaded guilty to running an AI-driven music streaming scam, raking in $1.2 million annually. He used AI to generate fake tracks, boosting streams illegally. He now faces up to 5 years behind bars, a stark warning on AI misuse risks. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which AI breakthrough excites you most. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.